The excellent Arc browser that's been impressing macOS and iOS users over the past couple of years is finally making its way to Windows today. Arc is designed to change the way you use a browser in many fundamental ways, with a collapsible sidebar that combines vertical tabs and bookmarks into an app switcher-like experience, a command bar for navigation, and useful tools to help you browse the web. The company behind Arc, aptly named the Browser Company, is betting on its browser being different enough to entice Windows users away from Chrome and Edge. Arc really is just calming and keeps you organized, says Harsh Agrawal, co-founder of the Browser Company, in an interview with The Verge. It helps you handle your tasks during the day better. As someone who is hooked on Chrome, it has been a jarring but rewarding experience to use Arc. Once you get used to the Arc way of doing things, the idea of a sidebar instead of a row of tabs or just the ability to remove all the browser clutter and focus on a single website feels like a refreshing approach to the way we use the web today. Arc is also built on top of Chromium, so websites just work and you can bring your extensions along for the ride. Arc for Windows is also a significant step in a far bigger vision for what the Browser Company calls the operating system for the Internet. This idea that Arc is an entire platform for the open web that goes beyond just a browser. Arc for Windows is an important milestone for this vision, not least because the Browser Company has also helped bring Swift, the programming language created by Apple for building iOS and Mac apps, to Windows. Arc on Windows is built using Swift, and software engineers at the Browser Company have helped largely open source all of the fundamental infrastructure for building Windows applications with Swift. Salim Abdul Rasul, a member of the Swift core team and a software engineer at the Browser Company, has spent more than 6 years working on bringing Swift to Windows. "I am so excited about this," says Abdul Rasul in an interview with The Verge. "Finally seeing something come to fruition after so long is truly something. It's really an effort of love." The release of Arc on Windows, thanks to Swift, could encourage other developers to follow a similar path, especially in the wake of the White House urging software developers to use memory-safe programming languages like Swift instead of the C++ language that's used to build Chrome and Edge. "We actually invite others to participate as well," says Abdul Rasul. "While we're leading the charge, we're more than happy to have people come with us. For all the impressive underpinnings of Arc, it still needs to be good enough to go up against Chrome, though. It's literally marketed as the Chrome replacement you've been waiting for after all, so there's a lot riding on this Windows release." The Browser Company will also have to contend with Microsoft's aggressive attempts to switch Windows users to Edge as well as dethroning Chrome, a challenge unlike those any browser entrant has faced over the past decades of competition.